How to limit or turn off comments on Facebook post. It is quite easy and simple to limit or turn off comments on Facebook post. Launch the Facebook app on your device. Ensure to log in or sign into your account. Tap on three-line menu icon at top right corner of the screen. Select your profile at the top. On your profile feed, scroll to the bottom and select the post where you have the wish to limit or turn off comments on Facebook post. Select the three dots. Now tap on who can comment on your post. You can select friends or profile and pages you mention so that only profiles and pages you mention will be able to comment and no other can comment on your post. Select Done button. Again, tap on three dots. You can edit privacy as well and select to only few friends or friends accept and tap on change button. Tap on the particular friend to whom you don't want to show your post, and after that you can save the changes. That's it. That's how we can limit or turn off comments on Facebook post.
I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.